really
we
interesting.
got rocks and we gave him anxiety.
We talked about this exactly today with memories, with the reasoning engines and so on and so forth. So if electricity is next to zero, compute hopefully is next to zero, and we can let it think and do whatever infinitely. So that's
I don't think it's infinite intelligence. There's only like, at least for a given model, it's only like he can get
as good as it gets.
as good, like as smart as it can get, but you can give it almost infinite anxiety, which is like a really good way to see like how these models think. You ask it something, and because like you gave it this anxiety, it'll try multiple different ways. Like really wants to please you. So okay, I'll try to merge this Excel with this PDF, and like I'll check the numbers. Okay, numbers don't make sense. I'll go get some numbers from the web. It'll go do all these things for you until it finally thinks the answer is good enough to show you. And if you give it more and more anxiety, the more things it'll try, the harder it will try to please you.
That's actually a good notion. I've never thought about it. So the more it thinks, the more anxiety you induce into the model, because it really wants to make sure.
If you go look into the reasoning step of these models, even for simple prompts, and you read it like you'd read a diary of a teenager, it just makes sense that the model has a bunch of anxiety. That's what we did as AI engineers.
It's really
we
interesting.
Got rocks and we gave him anxiety.
It's really interesting. I use O3 like almost on a daily basis. I talk to it, I use it like all the time. And I think I once mentioned that in an episode as well, that I don't actually check the reasoning steps, but I think sometimes I was like having a look at it, and I was actually asking like, okay, give me the forward price earnings ratios of all the Mag 7s and like all some other AI companies. And I was like, the user's asking this, but I seem to fail at it, so I need to try harder. I was like, that's funny. So I'm actually inducing it. It's anxious. That was kind of an interesting facet to have a look at it.